Welcome everyone. So last time we discussed about formation of sodium chloride. Today we will discuss about formation of magnesium chloride. Now magnesium chloride, it is also an ionic compound, so its formation it will take place by transferring of electron. So the basic concepts will be similar to that which we discussed for sodium chloride. So let us start with electronic configuration of magnesium atom and chlorine atom. So for magnesium atom, you can see its electronic configuration is given as 282 because its atomic number is 12. So this 2, it is the valence electron which magnesium needs to lose to attain octet. So when magnesium will lose this 2 valence electron, it will gain 2 positive charge and its electronic configuration will become 2,8. So here you can see that now valence shell, it contains only 8 electrons, and this 2 electron, it is this 2 electron which is showing here, it is it is lost by magnesium atom. Now the next one is chlorine atom. For chlorine atom, like we discussed for sodium chloride, here its electronic configuration is 287. So when chlorine atom it wants to attain octet, then it will gain 1 electron. So this is the gaining of electron, it is shown by putting plus sign here. So when chlorine atom will gain 1 electron, then its electronic configuration will become 288. So here it is showing that valence shell again it contains 8 electrons, and upon gaining 1 electron it will also develop 1 negative charge. So here like that we will get chloride ion. Now the next two steps which will actually show the transference of electron which takes place from metal to non-metal, that means from magnesium to chlorine. These are the two steps which are very important, which we are going to discuss now. So for that, like we discussed, what we have to do, we have to, so for that first of all we have to write the symbol. So we will first write the symbol of metal. Then after writing the symbol, we also need to show their or represent their valence electron, and for metals I am generally representing their valence electron with the help of dot. So it is having 2 valence electrons, so 2 dots here. Then now see, when you will see the formula of magnesium chloride, you will find that in the formula of magnesium chloride there is only 1 magnesium atom and 2 chlorine atoms. So we will also be writing 2 chlorine atoms here, and then we will be showing its valence electron. So chlorine atom, it is having, each chlorine atom, that means it is having 7 valence electron, which we are representing with the help of cross. So this is how first of all we are doing that. First of all we are writing the symbol of the elements, metals and non-metals, and then the valence electrons. And keep in mind that valence electron, the symbol for valence electron which you are showing for metal, it should be different than for that for the non-metal. Then the next step, that means here only what we have to show with the help of arrow, transference of electron. So we know that magnesium is giving its electron to chlorine. So this electron will go here and this electron it will go here. Now after this what we will find that when magnesium will lose its 2 electron, then it will develop positive charge, and chlorine atom it will change into chloride ion. So for magnesium, after losing 2 electrons, it will develop 2 positive charge. Now here we are not going to show any of the valence electron, because in the first step only we have shown that magnesium is having 2 valence electron which it has already transferred. So that is why it has developed 2 positive charge. Then for chlorine, that means for chloride ion, how we will be showing that upon gaining 1 electron, chloride ion will acquire 1 negative charge. Now here as 2 chlorine atoms are there, so definitely we are also going to get 2 chloride ions. So these 2 chloride ions we are going to show or represent together like this. That means when we have put 2 here, it is representing 2 chloride ions, and both the chloride ions will be like this only. Just you come here and just you observe that what will happen. Here is also chlorine atom, here is also chlorine atom. Now both this chlorine atom, it requires only one one uh, one electron to attain octet. So one magnesium atom is ready to lose 2 electrons because it is having 2 valence electrons. So each atom, that means this atom, it will be gained by one chlorine atom, and this atom it is gained by another chlorine atom, and that is how we are getting 2 chloride ions. This is very important thing. What sometimes students are getting confused, and what they are doing, that instead of writing this, they are thinking that because 2 negative charge is getting formed, and they used to write it like this. They used to write it like this. This is completely wrong. The reason is that because this one here, it is showing that one chlorine atom has gained 2 electrons. That means one chlorine atom, it has acquired 2 negative charge, which is never possible, which can never be possible. The reason is that because chlorine is only short of 1 electron to attain octet, it will only gain 1 electron, otherwise it will violate octet rule. So that is why this is wrong. I don't know how students, most of the time I have seen in the last 2 years that students are making such type of mistakes, like they are all together, when they have to write 2 chlorine atoms together, then they used to write like this. You don't have to write like this, you have to write it like this. That means like I have shown here. So this is the correct method. So I hope that now it is clear to you that formation of magnesium chloride. So this is the final step. So these 2 steps are very important, and arrow also it is having its own significance, which is showing that how or and from where to where electrons are getting transferred. So this is for formation of magnesium chloride. Thank you.